What's up, good people? Quick video for today. This one's gonna be fairly kind of unorthodox. It's not really engine related per se. It has to do with the car. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about this, my key fob battery. Got an indication that it is failing and we need to get it replaced. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Now let's be honest. You're probably asking yourself, what the hell is this? Well, this is my key fob, but I have this stainless steel key fob protector on it for a number of reasons. One, key fobs are a few $100s, and I quite frankly, if I break it, I'm gonna be pissed. So I got this fashionable key fob cover off eBay, and I think it was either eBay or Amazon. I'll take a look at it when I post the video, and I'll put the link down in the description. But got this, thought it was cool. It's got the BMW M sport colors on it. It is heavier. You could probably hit somebody over the head and win the fight with this. Don't do that, but if it happened. But yeah, I thought it was kind of stylish. It is a little thick because it goes right around the actual key fob itself. But I just thought it was neat. It still shows the BMW emblem for locking the doors, all the indications on it as well. But I dig it, man, I really do. So I went ahead and put it on. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the key fob that's on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off and get started. Now we're gonna use just a really small Phillips head screwdriver here for this key fob cover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this off. All right, so here's the actual key fob itself. It's been in this case for quite some time. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off, and then we will go ahead and pop it open and get the battery changed. So let's do that real quick. Let's clean this off before we change the battery. Now you're probably wondering why I'm missing the actual key on it. Well, for this case, it actually required me to remove it in order to fit inside the case. So I actually have the key somewhere else in case I need it. But that's why the back piece is off. So, all right, so we got that cleaned up. So let's go ahead and remove or disassemble the key fob and replace the battery. All right, so now that we have this cleaned up, there's two ways you can pretty much remove the cover for it and get access to the battery. When I originally took the key out, the actual keyhole right there where you slide the key in, you can take that out, and I've changed this battery before, is there's another hole adjacent to it, and you would simply, this is the back of the key fob, and what you do is you could take a flathead or the key itself, and not in the hole where the key came out of, but in the hole adjacent to it. You simply just stick like a flathead, or I'm gonna use this screwdriver or the key, like I said, and you'll simply wedge up, just like that. And when you wedge up, the back of the key fob will come loose. And once it comes loose, you simply just peel it off like that. Now the battery is right here. It's a CR2450, which is what I have here. I've got 2 of them. I could only get 2 in a pack. We only need 1. And you simply just open this up. Damn, it's like Fort Knox trying to get this out. All right, so there's our battery, brand new. And you can wedge it out very carefully, just like that. There's our old one. And you simply replace the way you took the old one out. Just like that. And there we go, it's in. Reverse, putting the rear cover back on. It should snap right back into place. If it doesn't, it's probably because the battery's not all the way in. Just make sure the battery's nice and in, just like that. Again, slide the cover back on as you took it off, and it snaps back into place. And there we go. And we're good to go. Now you want to replace this for obvious reasons, right? First thing is the vehicle will tell you on your gauge cluster. It'll start telling you that the remote control battery is dying. So that was the indication that I got. So I'm trying to be proactive and replacing it. But for whatever reason, if you're busy, you can't get to it, then obviously things will start to happen, right? It's going to be harder to unlock the vehicle. It's going to be harder for you to lock the vehicle, or even just being in the vicinity of the radar of the vehicle itself when using the keyless entry by the handle. The vehicle will act as if it can't read the key fob. All indicators that the battery's dead. So try to replace this as soon as you get the indication on your gauge cluster, because I'd hate for you to get stuck. But that's it, pretty straightforward. As always, thank you guys for chiming in. Please leave comments, suggestions in the comment section below, as well as look for out any links down there that will guide you to, if you're interested in that case, as well as I got the battery at pretty much any grocery store that you can get it at. So subscribe, follow, comment, like I said. Love you guys' feedback. I always appreciate the critique. It helps me out in trying my best to make my videos that much better. So without further ado, thank you guys very much. Peace and love. I'ma holla. Bye.